Alrighty, welcome back. I gotta start the car up and take it outdoors, or see if I can get it started. See if I can get it started to pull in another truck for a friend. You wanna try that boost? This is going pretty good. Come on, baby, come on, baby. All right. Just gonna warm it up for a second. We'll get out and talk about what's going on, but I had to get it. First time's been started since we chopped it. There's no reason why it wouldn't have ran, but when we pulled it in, it didn't run, so that's why I'm getting it running. We're gonna be pulling it outside. I got a friend's truck that I said I would fix, and I'm gonna fix. Basically, motor sounds good in this car. It sounded good when we purchased it. It still sounds good. We'll take it out of gear. Hopefully, it stays running. Seems like it's going to. Seems like it's going to. I've got the hood hinges off this car, and that's why I got it held up with the level. We took the hood hinges off to get at the fenders, the bolts in the back. It's going to stay running, I think. Oh. I'm your man, Bad Chad, and Queen Jolene's on the camera. So what's going on is I have to put this car aside for a minute or two and fix a friend's car or truck. Let's come over to this side, sweetheart, for a minute. I did have a few more things I had to do to it, and I was on my way to getting it done, but let's face it, I got to do priorities first. This is something that we're doing. I did get a window put in, and I did get a vent window sectioned, and I'm not sectioned, I just chopped it up a little bit. I got it in there. I got the original window in it going up and down. It's not working the best because I haven't got the channel that the window slides up and down in. We kind of ripped that right out and just destroyed it. But I do have all the garnish moldings on and stripped. You can see on the door inside this one that's stripped, on the door on the other side is stripped. I just stuck them on there for now. I got the ones for the window up front stripped. I guess that doesn't matter at the present moment. Me and Jolene put the seat in this morning. She looks better in it than I do, like always. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door and pull it out. I have a Ford truck that we're going to be working on for the next couple of days. And I hope you enjoy the process. But basically, I'm not sure what year the truck is, but it needs cab corners on both sides and sills. So I'm going to try to do it as fast as possible. The wind's blowing, that's why I'm turning away. I'm going to try to do it as fast as possible. Hold inside. That started good for not being started for 3 weeks. I started really good. Sorry about the wind. Jolene doesn't like the wind, but that's what's going on today. Basically, it's the nicest day that we had to pull the car out without raining. I don't want it raining on it really, but we're going to get that, move them in and out, and get it done. I sort of want to blow the car off a little bit. Just why the door's open. Bear with me. Back window's been uncovered. Wow, what a back window. The seat, we put the seat in this morning because I had, obviously I'm taking it outdoors. I sit up a little high in it. Jolene sits really nice in it. She's a little lower than I am. I'm half tempted to take it for a drive down the road a little bit. I'm half tempted. We'll see what happens. See how big my kahunas are this morning. It's a nice day here in Nova Scotia today. It's actually a beautiful day. I'm going to pull this bad boy outdoors. Hood's down. Not going to run over anything. All right, baby. You want to see me go up the road? Do you? Ah, she's bad as I am. I get plopped down in this thing. Get down in this thing. I guess you all know now. I can build a car, but I can't drive shit. Baby, I'm gonna take her down far as the corner. Just nice. That worked good. That worked real good. Forgot to put my marker lights hanging out. Yee! Oh, geez, I'm squeaking. So we're gonna pull the Ford truck in. Bad Apple Brew House. Anything in my way? Look good going down the road? It drove good. Shifted nice. And the reason I say it shifted nice because I didn't grind them. Just basically want to do a little sweep up real quick in case I don't want anything in anybody's tires, because you know what that means? I have to fix it. Generally, when I work on cars here, if I work on anybody's car, I generally do not drive them, and the reason being is I want to have no issues with nothing. I'm not interested in paying for something that's happened to somebody's car. So basically, I fix it and let it go back out the door. And that's what we're going to do with this truck. Baby, you're going to have to take it for a drive. Get taillights fixed. You take it for a drive, man. So this is not going to be a restoration, not even close. This is going to be a fix, repair for inspection. So this is probably going to be the kind of work that someone, if they're restoring the truck in 20 years' time, is going to say, why didn't they do this or why didn't they do that? Well, we're fixing it for inspection. It's got some different shapes to the back corner, or to the back cab corners. We are not going to buy anything for it. We're just going to make it. And you're more than welcome to follow along. But I have to fix the truck. It's priority right at the present moment. And the weather's nice, so I can leave the car outdoors for a while. That's the first time I got to see the front end outdoors. I like the front end. Sometimes you really can't tell what a car looks like until you get, back from it a little bit to really see what it is. But I do like the front end of it. Looks good. Well, she's a long truck, right? It's not hard to tell it's a farm truck. So basically, I'm going to fix that stuff. Something that probably would scare a lot of people. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure what the year of the truck is. The frame and stuff all looks to be in good condition. I'm not sure, but we got I got the sills to fix on it, so it's a 4-door. So we got 2 sills, 1 sill to fix, I guess, because there's the sills on the bottom got to be fixed. The cab corners. And let's remind everybody that we're going to be doing this for inspection, but we're going to be doing it as quick as possible. I'm going to shut the doors. Did you want to take a walk around the car before you? And then we'll cut it. Okay, so what we're going to do is Jolie's going to take a walk around the car, show you the car, and we'll start the truck tomorrow. That mean I get to start it tomorrow? Yee-hoo! Just kind of cover the mic. Just kind of taking a look at the car, the doors. The seams disappear when you grind them up nice, eh? Sort of. Got the seam on the bottom of the door ground up. It's not a bad looking old sled. So I still need to finish the windows. That back window is something big in that car. Like, wow. I've got the other window figured out, I guess. But basically, we're going on a new project for now. Yeah, I like the front end. Happy with it. Only got to see it that far away in the garage, right? All right, everybody, you come back tomorrow. I'm just covering the mic here so for the wind. You come back tomorrow. We'll do some work on this F-150. It's an awful big one, F-50. We'll do it as quickly as possible to give it back to my friend. And I'm going to do this as a favor because he's helped me before. And I want to pay him back. Alrighty, welcome. Thanks for coming back. We're on air. Jolene looks amazing. I'm a little bit flustered today because I had a little drivey poo in the car and I'm changing gears. We didn't get we got 25 days in on it so far, from being a 4-door to looking the way it's looking right now. I still want to do the lowering part of it, and I want to get the other side of the windows done and the vent windows done. I'm probably going to have someone cut the glass for me. Yeah. Have a good one, everybody. Thanks for coming. Share, comment, come back, and we're going to fix this F-150 for something to do. You can watch or you can not, but I'd appreciate if you come back. See y'all tomorrow.